So I'm Kaisa. I'm from Sweden, and I did the LLM in criminal law and criminal justice. I think it was a combination between the university and the location. The university has a great reputation that it really did live up to. And then Edinburgh manages to be this big city that it has a lot to offer, but at the same time, it's so intimate and cozy. So it's just a great way to study. You've got an airport, but you've also got nature reserves, you've got Arthur's Seat. It's a really, really nice place to live. I think what really stood out to me was the staff at the university. They've got such a, the university has such a research focus, and the staff are really dedicated and knowledgeable. So the courses were just delivered amazingly. I don't have a law background, and a lot of the other students didn't either. So there's so many perspectives coming in from just across all the social sciences. So the seminars were just excellent because you have this expert who's guiding it, and then you have all these inputs, and it's just unparalleled in terms of the learning experience. I think there's just so much to do. I do quite a niche sport, but it's not hard to find places to do whatever your hobby is. I found a Swedish cafe right next to the law school, which has been fantastic for when you get homesick. There's so many shops. There's independent bookshops, zero waste shops, and everything that comes with a big city. But then a 25-minute walk from my house, I can go up on the mountain on Arthur's Seat, and it's so quiet. You can go to the beach as well. Like, it's just so, I think it's just unique as a big city that you have all these experiences that come with a big city, but also with just like a small town. It was pretty crazy because one week we were in a seminar room, and then the next I was working from my kitchen table. But we got some really good support. The individual staff members really do go out of their way. They do normally, but then when Corona hit, I was getting all these emails from the law school admin team in terms of what they can do, what they're providing, anything we need that they're not providing or haven't thought of. My supervisor was emailing me. We were having video calls all the time, and it wasn't just, oh, how's the project going? It was also, how are you doing? Do you have, does your laptop work? Do you have a space where you can work? How's your living situation? How's your family doing? How's the just being an international student during all this? There's been some really good support. I actually started my PhD at the university just 2 weeks after finishing my LLM. So I've just kind of stayed. And I think it speaks to how great my experience was that I signed on for another 3 years doing virtually the same thing with the same people. And yeah, I'm just going to keep working on my project, and then hopefully the goal is to stay in higher education.